This is after a long time I'm facing the camera like the DSLR, and I'm also testing at the same time this dead cat that is currently installed on the camera, on the microphone, on the Rode mic that I use. And I need to check how far it is cutting out the external noise and picking up my volume, my voice. And also at the same time I got something for Falcon, which is my bike, as you guys know possibly. And like I saw this type of mirrors first on Royal Jordanian's motorcycle, which I believe is the Nuda. I mean, he has so many motorcycles. This is something, a mod that wasn't exactly planned, but Pratik showed me on Instagram, and I just contacted those people and inquired about the price, and it was not too expensive. It looks very good, and if it's actually what it's shown like, in that case it should be serving the purpose well as well. And so that's the Indian Air Force plane that's passing by, because I have the Indian Air Force base right in front of my house. I keep on seeing planes every day, almost planes and helicopters and everything, which I share on Instagram sometimes also. So in case you are not aware of my Instagram, it's linked below. Yeah, चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है. So to open up the mirrors from this area, this is the one that you would need, which is the 14 number spanner, and this is the one that came with the KTM's stock toolkit. I got the stock mirrors opened, and now I will have to check whether any problem to fit the new mirrors or not. One major problem with this particular kit that I received from Skyboy Shop, that these nuts, hex, or whatever you call it, I don't know, these are just not fitting in here, which is the stock groove, which is this one. And I tried with both of them, it's just not fitting. I don't know whether I'm doing something wrong or whether it's any problem or not. Okay, so figured out something very crucial, that first of all, there is no left and right marking between the mirrors, like which this is for left or right or anything like that, so nothing comes in the box. So while I was struggling to fit this one on this side, I just happened to try this one on this side, and that's when this nut is perfectly fine. I mean, it's fitting fine. So I don't know why there's no instruction, but this is something that you need to keep in mind in case you are getting the same type of mirrors. So there is no indication of left and right. So after a lot of struggle, we managed to fit on the left hand side one, the mirror for the left hand side. I mean, I failed to do it myself. For some reason it was just not going through, so I went to Pratik's place, and we together, it's mainly him who did this. So thanks to Pratik for this one. However, on the right hand side, we just couldn't fit in the mirror. I mean, I don't know what exactly is going wrong, where exactly we are going wrong. So I'll be taking it to Mahesh Motors tomorrow and see whether it can be done or not. Otherwise I will revert to the stock mirrors. This is how it looks from the front. Looks wise, it's great, looks good, but there are better looking mirrors. So came to Mahesh Motors, got the rear view mirrors installed, but I mean ठीक है, but it's just like it's the view कुछ adjust करना पड़ेगा मेरे को, वो तो मैं कर लूँगा. महेश भाई, थैंक यू. Bye Arshit. See, the problem with these mirrors is they might be looking cool, but it severely lacks practicality. I mean, it vibrates pretty decently. I mean, as Mahesh bhai also told, 2-3 दिन के लिए मजे ले लो, उसके बाद वापस स्टॉक लगा लेना. That's what I think I will do. And I got it from Skyboy. So this is a page on Instagram, might be very famous because of their products and all. So even if it is like, it costed me how much? It costed me, I guess, 1900 or something. But then again, don't go for this. You might see many other vloggers who have installed similar kind of mirrors and all. They might be of better quality. I mean, even I checked some videos as reference, but these ones, my money is now all gone down the drain. आज तो इसका wet road ABS भी टेस्ट हो जाएगा. इनफैक्ट हो रहा है already. So as I was saying, don't buy these. And I had a long dispute with the Skyboy people on Instagram chat. I told them that first of all, it lacks any sort of instructions, and trust me, installing this or maybe these kind of mirrors would take quite a lot of time and energy, because you have to just manually figure it out that which nut goes on which side, and apparently it will look all same, but it won't just fit. At least in my case I'm talking about. पता नहीं मेरी किस्मत ही ऐसी है, maybe my luck might be just like that. So when I had a dispute with these people at Skyboy, I said that, boss, this is not getting fitted properly, so not a very good experience and all that. So initially they said all their customer service centric language and all that, and they even told me, sir, if you're finding it difficult, go and take it to a mechanic. I told them no, I wanted to get it done myself. Till then the conversation was going in on a smoother note. However, yesterday, which is the 16th, when I struggled almost the entire day, and then I went to Prateek's place just to see whether I am going wrong somewhere or not. Yes, I was wrong in a few areas, but then again, we could only install this one, not on this side. I don't know what exactly was going wrong. So that's when we decided to take it to Mahesh Motors. That's where I came to, and he got them installed. It didn't install in the first go. It got installed after a few workarounds, or as in Hindi we say jugaad. Okay, what happened is, when we were trying, like we and Prateek, myself and Prateek. So that's when during the installation process, one of the clamps got bent, as you see in the picture, and at Skyboy they will sell these kind of mirrors as Rizoma first copy or something like that, which is an absolute wrong thing. I mean, I have seen other videos where it's Rizoma first copies. Not only they look a lot better build and design wise, also it's written as Rizoma. So you find none of them. These are like cheap Karol Bagh mirrors. I sent them the picture almost immediately over Instagram, that, and mentioned that, boss, this has got a very poor quality to it. And what they said, to my surprise and shock, they said that, sir, physical damage is not covered as a part of insurance. I was like zapped by the reply. I said it's not about physical damage, it's about poor quality. What about that? To which they didn't have any answer. And that's when I got pretty angry, and eventually I decided I'm not going with these. And like, since I bought them, my money spent, I will keep them installed for some number of days, and then I will remove them back to stock. So what I'm trying to say is that in case you are planning anything like this, please be double sure of what you are getting. And also, do not buy anything from Skyboy Shop. They're not good with their customer service at all. So on that note, people, stay well, stay safe. So I take a leave. Bye bye.